is to keep your skin clean.
Oh yeah, I do.
Especially like on race days and stuff like that. I'm sure you sweat a lot. Like, don't go home, even though you're not wearing makeup, but don't go home and like just fall asleep with some dirty skin. You want to make sure your skin is cleansed.
I try to tell Mama to wash hers about once a month.
I used to do mine once a week. Every Sunday I would do my brushes.
She don't do her makeup that much.
But I have over 200 brushes. That way if I don't
wow.
want to wash my brushes all the time, I don't have to wash them. Like my 30 days that I typically do for like Halloween and stuff like that, or like my 30-day marathon that I do for Christmas time, like I go through all my brushes.
Be
I
still
want to
graceful.
do that with you.
But see, if I didn't have the extra brushes, then I'd be screwed. So I have to have a lot. People are like, my God, why do you have so many? Like I used to have way more actually when I used to do makeup and stuff all the time. You can see before and after, and then there's a big mirror there you can look at too. See the difference?
Yeah,
like it's just
different.
enough to cover the redness. Keep dropping everything. Oops.
Oh, you're still filming.
That's fine. Nobody can hear anything we do.
Okay.
All right, do your little thing.
What sound should I use? I'm gonna go to
You
you.
guys are the wrong person about some damn TikTok. I suck at TikTok. And then I have a whole bunch of drafts saved up because I was trying to be cute. And then I couldn't figure out how to do them. Set lightly with some powder because we don't want you to look like cake face over here.
I would ask her. I would ask her to make sure.
So fucking bad.
Hannah.
I am never leaning forward on this stool ever again in the existence of time. Holy fuck. My whole life just flashed before my eyes.
Okay.
Your life flashed before my eyes.
All right.
So funny.
That looks good.
Most terrible YouTuber on the planet.
Okay. That is so pretty. I like that one too. Ooh, can
We
we
can do silver if you want to do silver.
can we put that in the corner of my eye?
In the inner part?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do. You can see your mom in the background. want.
No, I like my brows like that, Mama. Mama likes them when they're brushed down. That looks so good. Just wait till my hair gets done.
I like my boobs around and everything.
Oh, that kind of looks like what you're doing.
It does. I'm gonna let you curl your own damn lashes.
Okay.
Cause I'm really scared, honey.
See, I need a new one like
You get the
this.
mirror up close if you need to. Damn, what accidentally. You know who has amazing lashes? Guys.
Yeah,
I know,
Andrew's got some pretty.
Andrew.
Like Caleb and Brett both. I'm like, I've tried to beg Brett for like 20 years. Like, please let me put mascara on you. Just one eye. Just so I can see what it looks like.